Welcome back to our Alicante real estate channel. Today we are in the center of La Mata, also called La Mata Pueblo because it's actually the old village over here. We have over here a lovely one-bedroom apartment in a high-class building, and we are on the rooftop terrace at this moment. Just look at the sea behind me and look a little bit around. You see it is really nice. And then let's have a look inside. Okay, and over here we have the apartment. As you can see, it's a very nice one-bedroom apartment with a lovely kitchen over here. And this is the living room, and over here we have the bedroom, which is actually quite big, with a double bed, inbuilt wardrobes, and actually also a very nice design. And we have a balcony over here where you can put a table and 2 chairs and have your breakfast over here, and you're right in the middle of La Mata. Okay, and now you have seen a wonderful apartment, 1 bedroom for just 74,000 euros. It has everything that you need. Aircon, just absolutely everything. Even the furniture stays inside, and that's just beneath the beach over here. What more are you waiting for? Thank you.